Hey, morning everyone. How you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Got the Mercedes out again. I'm going to be doing the Mercedes 220 CDI CLC 2008 plate servicing. Oil, only the oil filter, oil and oil change, because it doesn't need anything else at the moment because it's not long had a service. But obviously for a new buyer, I thought I'd service it quick. So let's crack on and you'll see what I'm doing. This is what you're going to need. The engine holds 6.5 litres, so you need a 5 litre, a 1 litre, another 1 litre, oil filter, and air filter. That's it. Right, let's start this up. Warm up the oil. Battery's been sitting for a while, so the battery's a bit rubbish, but anyway. Right. Obviously, engine oil level, not when engine's on, so obviously you can't check your oil when it's on, so I'll warm it up a bit and then I'll show you how to select it. So obviously when you put all the new oil in, stick 5 litres in first and then gradually put the other bit in, and then you can test to see, because obviously this bloody yeah, basically all the German cars lately don't even have a bloody dipstick, which is very frustrating, so I'll do that. So far, jack the car up so you can get to the floor pan, obviously to undo the sump. Another axle stand. So now, obviously we'll get underneath there. What I undo here. I'm going to undo all these and take this whole entire bottom off so you can get to the bottom of the engine. All along there. Just you got one there. There's a couple all over the place really. So once the sunder tray comes off, you can see underneath the engine, and then we can get to the old sump plug. So if I do that now. Alright, there's eight screws, obviously to take the whole bottom panel off. There's 8 for that, and they're 8mm. And then what I've done is there's another 2 more, 4 more either side of this, and obviously your sump, if I can get to that, is right under it, just there. So obviously it's a 13mm, so we'll undo that. 6.5 litres. Let that run out. While that's running out, we'll put the new air filter and oil filter in. Oil's draining all nicely. Look how black that is. I know obviously it's diesel, but that is pretty dirty. So we'll leave that going. Now what we've got to do is get a screwdriver, and we unclip all these, and that one, another one at the back, just down behind there. Should be another one down there. That one's done. And then this one. Right, what you have to do is you've got to lift this up from here. And take it off. And there's your air filter. And this looks a bit dirty, doesn't it? Let's pull it off. Yeah, it's not massively dirty, but it's got loads of leaves and stuff in it. So let's just chuck that on there. It's got quite a good filter system. Obviously got that there. We've even got a ladybird in there. It's all dead and fried. Right, what I'll do is I'll hoover all that out, and then I'll show you how to put it back in. New one out. And literally all you do with these is this bit goes down at the bottom. So it's literally just push this. That's completely locked in. Obviously put this back on. Just move some of the dirt in it. This one's a bit, there's one at the bottom there that's a bit fiddly. So just that's got to be pushed nice and pushed all home. Right, it's a little bit fiddly, but use a screwdriver and just click. See, that was done. Right, oil filters next, which is located just there. Right. So. Right, bit of cloth. I just nicked my missus' top. Pop that off. What I normally do is empty the box, shove that in the box. Oh. Replace the rubbers. So you've got one on there, and obviously you've got a little one that goes on there. So I'll do that now. Go about the first part, it's just decide to turn up. So you've got that one, and there's also a little one on the end. Just pop that off. Clean all this housing out. You don't obviously the old oil. And it ought to be nice and clean, and don't want all the old oil really mixing with it as much. So that's all clean. Pop that back in. Nip that up. Yeah. That's done. Right, now what we've got to do, so obviously we've done the air filter, oil filter. Now we've got to put the car back down on the floor so the rest of the oil can run out of it. And then we'll put a new sump plug on well, not a new sump plug, just a new washer. Tighten that back up, jack it back up, put the all the bottom on, all the under panels and everything, and then after that we can top it up on level ground and then keep an eye on the oil. Alright guys, I've put a new washer on the sump plug, tightened that all up. I've put all the under tray on with all the screws and everything, and now I'm going to be topping it up with obviously the 5 litre first and then the 1 litres. So do this. That's 5 litres done. Knock another litre in, and then we'll check it out. Now, go into the car. I'm checking the dash what it says. I'll show you how to do that. You put key in the ignition, 1 turn, 2 turn, so ignition's on. Select on here, go down, and it'll say engine oil. Now it's measuring in progress. Now it'll tell us engine oil level is okay. To reset, hold that button down there. Now it's been serviced. Now it should say 0 miles. So that's all done. Oh, it still says it. Press reset button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There you go, it's been reset. Next service is going to be in 9,300 miles. So that's done. Right, done that. Cap on. There you go, that is there. Turn it over. And there you go. That's how you service a Mercedes C220 CDI C-Class. Running nice and sweet now. Thanks for watching. If you liked this and it helped, please could you like and subscribe. See you soon.